Hey guys, what's up? Solar Junkie here with some, I'm pretty excited about some news here. I got this remote control temperature station that tells you the temperature indoors, outdoors, and then you got these remote control temperature sensing units, and there's another one there that has a digital display. That one's more designed for indoors. And then I have another one here in the battery cabinet. I could try and get you a little closer look at it. But this thing's really cool, man. It gives you all the temperatures from all your remote devices, and then it gives you, it tells you if you should have the doors open. It tells you the signal. You can set alarms. This is bells because they have the alarm set in the battery cabinet in case it gets too hot or cold in there. But check it out at Accurate. I'm going to sit and talk too much about it because I'm excited. I got a lot of cool stuff to show you guys. I got that, and then I also added that switch up there. Let's see if we can zoom in on it a little bit. Yeah, that is a Wi-Fi switch. It's controlled by your phone. There's the box right there. It's a Wemo switch. And then I just ordered a Bluetooth one. And this thing's really cool because I have it hooked up to the solar system. And you go into the Wemo app, and there's the device right there. Now what I can do that's super cool, you guys, I think you guys are going to like this. I can switch from the inverters and battery and solar to the grid by simply pushing that button. Okay. Oh, there it goes. So it does it by Wi-Fi, so you can do it anywhere in the world. Now the light's on green, and the whole system, you can see the grid light is on, and it's still showing that it's supporting a load, but it's just, you can see it's using no power whatsoever. Now I'll hit the button again, and this should turn it off. Oh, that was a lot quicker. And then you can see now that the inverter now is supporting the load. See, the numbers went up. So what is super cool about that is this thing has rules you can set up, and it has automatic sunrise and sunset function. So now my system works like an inverter system, and the batteries always stay at float. I mean, the batteries will last forever this way. So it's just an experiment, and now that I figured out how to do that, I'm hooking up each unit to a switch to where I'll be able to turn the units on and off. And what I've been doing manually, switch the unit off, and the whole system will run on one unit. So I've doubled my efficiency by switching one unit off at night manually, and then when I hook it up to this other Wemo switch, or this is the switch right here. It's a Wemo switch, and I've ordered a Bluetooth one, so I want to see which one I like better. And then I could use also just a regular cheap manual type timer, digital timer, and wall timers. I've been looking at everything on Google and YouTube, trying to figure out what I want. I've also added these switches to my batteries, because these voltage gauges only run on cells 1 and 2. So over time, it takes a long time, but it will slowly drain down the cells, the 1 and 2 cells. So I put switches on them. I put switches on the ones down here. I'm trying to figure out where to put them. But that way you can check the voltage on the batteries at any time. And another thing I've done is I added these switches here and here. If I switch this switch up, my system is 100% off grid. It will run 100% off grid. And the reason I did that, I came up with all this from this switch I had here, just a manual switch for doing battery maintenance and stuff, and then came up with that Wemo idea. And then this switch here, I'm 100% off grid. It runs the AC full time on the inverters, and until it hits the battery cutoff voltage here in the solar system. that you have programmed here back to grid voltage, and then if the grid's not present, it'll go to the battery cutoff voltage here. Now man, I got all kinds of cool stuff going on when I get these switches hooked up and everything. I'll do another video and show you guys, but I'm going to have this inverter on probably 24/7, or work with a voltage control switch where I'll be able to extend these parameters to anything I want. And this unit will be on a timer that'll only be on when the hot water and the air conditioner is on during the daytime, and then when it switches off, I'll have that unit switch off, and I have doubled my efficiency of my system. And I've been doing this manually until I got the Wi-Fi switch, and then I just ordered all the stuff to put both of these on Wi-Fi, or actually Bluetooth, and we'll see how that goes. I'll be back with you guys. Hope you all are doing well. Peace.